In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your device's default keyboard into the Google keyboard or Gboard. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to your Play Store or App Store, and you're going to search for Google keyboard, right? So once you've searched for that, you're going to look for Gboard, right? So Gboard, the Google keyboard, and ensure that you're seeing the one that comes from Google LLC, right? So I've already installed mine. So for you, instead of open, you will see install. So all you would want to do is just hit install and install it, similar to how you'd install other apps, right? So once you've installed it, you want to now go to your device's settings. So of course I'm using Android. So you're going to go into the settings for Android, and you're going to scroll down until you see general management. So you click general management, and then you're going to look for keyboard list and default. So you're going to click that, and there you'll see an addition, the Gboard addition. Without the Gboard installed, of course you won't see it there. So once you go here and you see it there, you want to activate it. So you're going to click this to turn it on, and then at the top you're going to click default keyboard. So right now, as you can see, mine is set to Samsung keyboard, so it's giving me that additional option to turn it to the Gboard. So you want to click that and turn it on, and just like that, you would have activated the Google keyboard or Gboard. But why would you want to turn on the Google keyboard? So let me give you a quick demonstration of why. So for me personally, I find that I speak faster than I can type, right? And sometimes I'll be having my devotion shortly. So let me have my devotion in about 15 minutes. All right. So if you're like me, you're able to speak faster than you can type. So if I should type the dog is running, and look, I sometimes make a lot of mistakes just because of, I guess, the size of my fingers to the keyboard. Running down the road. So I think I'm horrible with doing this. So one, I make a lot of mistakes, and two, I move much faster. I'm slower than if I should speak. But with the Google keyboard, so I'm going to go to another line. With the Google keyboard, it allows you to do a voice to text typing. So if you look to the right hand side, you'll see this microphone icon that activates the keyboard. So let me see. Oh, so I can't use it because I'm actually recording. So I'm going to hit continue, see if it works. So at this point in the video, I'm actually using the voice to text feature using the Google keyboard, the Gboard. So the speed at which you're seeing on screen right now represents how it's actually moving when I'm talking and it's being converted to text, which you can see that it is significantly faster than when I was typing. All right, so I deactivated the voice. So as you can see, I can type significantly faster than by speaking rather than if I were to actually type with my fingers. So this comes in very handy, especially for me as a marketer who creates a lot of emails. I send a lot of messages. I speak to a lot of customers on WhatsApp. I speak with my team members, and of course, you would have your personal use cases. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have something that you would like to say. And until next time, peace out. Take care.